Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can add a discount to your QuickBooks invoice. So first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser and then you just have to log into your QuickBooks account. After that, you just have to tap on the create option that you can find here. That's right, and then tap on the invoice. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and then after that, okay, so let me just add a new invoice once again. Okay, so right here, as you can see, we don't have the option where we can add the discount right here. Okay, so what you're going to do is you just have to simply enable the discount option. Then after that, you'd be able to see here now your discount. So we have discount percentage and discount value. So for example, we would like to add a discount value right here. So you just have to type it out right here. And then after that, you just have to select your product and service. So for example, this one. Okay, and then for the rate, okay, so let me just select the service right here, and then for this one we have one quantity, and then for the rate is 600. Okay, and then you'd be able to see here now the subtotal. So since we added here now the discount value, so all we have to do is to tap out our discount. So for example, 50. So after you add here the discount value, it will automatically deduct your subtotals. So for the balance too, so we already have here now the $550. After that, you just have to save this one or save on send this invoice. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.